Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed listeners, and seekers of success, today I stand before you with a message that has the power to transform your journey towards greatness. It's a simple yet profound mantra that can redefine your path to success. Work hard in silence. Let your success make the noise. These words might seem unassuming at first, but they hold within them the keys to unlocking your full potential, achieving your dreams, and becoming the person you've always aspired to be. In a world that's increasingly noisy and competitive, it's easy to get caught up in the clamor of self-promotion, instant gratification, and seeking validation from others. Social media platforms have turned into showcases of achievement, with everyone shouting from virtual rooftops about their triumphs, often even before they are fully realized. But here's the secret that the most successful individuals understand. The real magic happens in the quiet moments of unwavering dedication, when no one is watching, and no accolades are being handed out. Picture this: a young entrepreneur burning the midnight oil in their garage, pouring their heart and soul into a groundbreaking idea that could change the world. No cameras, no audience, just them and their vision. A musician practicing relentlessly, mastering their instrument behind closed doors, preparing for that one electrifying performance that will leave the world in awe. A student staying up late into the night, poring over textbooks, preparing for exams that will define their future. What do these scenarios have in common? They all revolve around working hard in silence. You see, it's during these solitary hours that the foundation of success is laid. It's when discipline, dedication, and determination meet to create an unstoppable force that propels you toward your goals. There's an authenticity in silent effort that's unrivaled. It's where character is built, skills are honed, and greatness is cultivated. Remember, it's not the flashy beginnings that matter most, but the relentless pursuit of excellence in the shadows, away from the limelight. Working hard in silence allows you to develop a unique relationship with your goals. It's a conversation between you and your aspirations, devoid of distractions and external judgments. This is where your vision evolves, transforms, and takes shape. When you shield your ambitions from the world, you create a safe space for them to grow, unburdened by the opinions of naysayers or the fear of failure. You're free to experiment, learn from mistakes, and refine your approach. In this cocoon of silence, your dreams are nurtured until they're ready to emerge as fully fledged accomplishments. Now let's address the elephant in the room: the desire for recognition. It's natural to want to be acknowledged for your hard work, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. However, when recognition becomes the driving force behind your actions, your focus can shift from the work itself to the applause you receive. When you work hard in silence, you insulate yourself from this external pressure. Your self-worth is derived from the progress you make, the knowledge you gain, and the growth you experience. And when success does come knocking, it's not just about the destination, but the journey that got you there. Think about some of the most iconic individuals in history. The scientists who toiled away in their laboratories, the authors who penned countless drafts before producing a masterpiece, the athletes who pushed their bodies beyond limits in training. All of them understood the value of silence, of doing the work when no one was watching, and allowing their actions to speak louder than words ever could. So how can you integrate the power of working hard in silence into your own life? Set clear goals, define your aspirations, and break them down into actionable steps. This clarity will guide your efforts and make the journey less overwhelming. Design a routine. Create a daily routine that carves out time for focused, uninterrupted work. Consistency is key to making significant progress. Eliminate distractions. Identify and minimize the distractions that hinder your productivity. Create a workspace that encourages deep concentration. Embrace patience. Success rarely happens overnight. Embrace the journey, understanding that growth takes time. Trust the process. Document your progress. Keep a journal or record of your achievements, setbacks, and lessons learned. Reflecting on your journey will help you stay motivated. Seek knowledge. Continuously learn and improve your skills. Knowledge is a powerful tool that amplifies your efforts. Stay humble. Remember that your work speaks for itself. Humility keeps you grounded and focused on what truly matters. Celebrate small wins. While you're working in silence, acknowledge and celebrate the small victories along the way. These milestones are stepping stones to your ultimate success. As you embark on this journey of working hard in silence, always keep in mind that success is not solely defined by external validation. It's the internal satisfaction of knowing that you've given your all, that you've embraced challenges and that you've grown in the process. The noise of the world may come and go, but the quiet strength you build through diligent effort is what will propel you forward, even in the face of adversity. Let your dedication be your melody, your determination be your rhythm, and your accomplishments be your symphony. Remember, the loudest applause is often the one that resonates within you, born from the silent hours of unwavering commitment. So go forth, work diligently, and let your success reverberate through the corridors of time. Your journey to greatness starts with the quiet steps you take today.